In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change background colors in TradingView. Changing the chart background is a quick way to reduce eye strain, match your platform to your workspace, or simply make your candles and indicators stand out more clearly. I'll walk you through it step by step, and I'll add a few helpful tips along the way so you know exactly what to expect. First, open the chart you want to adjust. Move your cursor over the main chart area. Avoid hovering over side panels or toolbar icons, and right-click. If you're on a trackpad, a two-finger click works the same. And on some setups, a control click also brings up the context menu. You should see a compact menu appear directly on the chart. From that menu, click Settings. This opens the chart settings window, which is where nearly all the visual customization happens. You'll notice several sections or tabs running down the side. Each one controls a specific part of the chart's appearance and behavior. Next, click the Canvas tab. Canvas is the section dedicated to the background and the elements drawn on top of it, like grid lines and session shading. If you accidentally land in symbol or scales, just switch back to Canvas to keep things simple. Now look for the option labeled Background. You'll see a small color tile showing your current background color. Click that tile. This opens the color picker, which gives you a live preview as you explore options. Don't worry, nothing is permanent until you confirm, and you can always back out if you change your mind. Finally, choose the color you like. You can pick from preset swatches, drag within the spectrum to fine-tune the hue, and adjust brightness or saturation to get the exact tone you want. If the interface shows a transparency slider, a little translucency can soften intense colors and make price action easier on the eyes. Watch your candles, volume bars, and indicators as you experiment. You want strong contrast so values remain readable. For example, a dark gray or deep navy pairs well with bright candles, while a very light neutral works if you prefer darker candles and lines. Keep in mind that grid lines and session backgrounds may look more prominent or more subtle depending on your choice, so aim for a balance that keeps the chart clear, not busy. When you're happy with the preview, confirm your selection and close the settings window. Your chart now reflects the new background color. If something doesn't look right, just return to the Canvas tab and try a different shade or reduce saturation slightly. That's it. Simple, fast, and tailored to your style. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your newly customized TradingView chart.